I wrote this song for the girl that I love. She is locked away forever in the tower above. And I got a lot of nothing, but I hope it's enough for my pretty bird to never fly away. Shooting star wishes glow in the dark. She's got bubble gum and glue when things are falling apart. And she's always safe and happy on a farm in my heart, where my pretty bird will never fly away. Passing time like water flows. People come and people go. Through the circle fast and slow. People come and people go. She tells me life should be simple and free, so you gotta try to be the change that you wanna see. And you'll never grow a flower if you don't plant a seed. Please, my pretty bird, don't ever fly away. So when your worries are dragging you down, try to breathe a little here and there and live in the now. If you have a little patience, everything will work out, and your pretty bird will never fly away. Passing time like water flows. People come and people go. Through the circle fast and slow. People come and people